TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi, everyone. Basil Chapman here. This is the TFNN 3 p.m. update. And we're looking at the Dow up 132 at 27,041. And the S&P at this particular moment is up 12, I believe. Let me just check. There it is. Yep, 12 at 29.91. All-time high 3,027. The Dow is about 300 points away from its all-time high. The QQQ, the NDX 100, is doing very nicely. It's at 101.95, up $1.31, but it is quite a distance, about 4 points away from its all-time high of that was the 26th of July. What's interesting here is that the IWM has had a really very good couple of days. Even today, it's up 279, 156.67. You can see this cup formation on the left is the daily chart right there. Legs C in the Chapman wave, and the weekly chart is improving. It isn't great, but it's improving, and the same thing with the monthly chart. But now we've seen the small caps, the Russell 2000, working its magic. It was failing before, and gold is up $6 at 15.05, trying to make some kind of support in the 1490 area. We'll see how long that bounce can last, because the dollar is actually running very nicely. The dollar is up 24 pips at 98.62. A little off the 99.37 most recent time, multi-year high. We're going to be watching the dollar very closely, and crude oil is in fact down sharply, down $1.61 at 55.79. Let's see if that's making the transports rally. Yep, they are rallying the transports. That's the IYT up 0.65 at 193.17. That's good action. It should actually be a lot stronger with crude oils down so sharply. Anyway, we're going to look at in the next hour coming up between now and the close. We want to see how the SMHs, the semiconductors, which are within 2 points of the all-time high. We're going to check that all out. I'll be back with you in a few moments for the Tom O'Brien Show. Sitting in for Tom O'Brien is away right at this moment. So I'll be here, Basil Chapman, the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour at noon to 1 p.m. usually, but I'll be doing the 3 o'clock show, Tom O'Brien Show. And I'll be back in a few minutes. Stand by.
You know what's cool? Taking something that's good for you. Something specifically formulated to help with weight loss, better sleep, stress reduction,